Eddie, look at this. It's a new mega printer with all the trimmings for $49.99.
Unbelievable.
You know what your problem is? You pay too much with all your stupid brand names. I mean, why pay more when you can get it for cheaper somewhere else?
Ronnie Fletcher.
I'll see you around.
My neighbour for some time now.
See ya.
You wouldn't believe the things he finds on the internet.
Hey, Eddie! Check it out, new Barbie.
Very nice.
You're done with your fancy barrel grills now.
Couldn't return it. Non-refundable. What a bargain.
Another bargain. Let me guess, $19.99. No, wait, $9.99.
Well, it looks pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah, I love it.
I mean, it's got loads of functions.
To Ronnie, price always comes first. We had this discussion in my company some time ago.
Original spare parts for our laser Bystronic machine. I've tried the cheap, no-brand nozzles off the internet. Double the gas consumption, longer downtimes for recalibrating the inaccuracy. And as for the bellows, it took us weeks to find the right ones. Time costs money too, right?
Oh, the nozzles have arrived.
Yep, delivered in good time as well. Bystronic consumables and spare parts are carefully selected and tested by experts. They guarantee the value retention of my systems and contribute to excellent production results. But what really counts is having time for my customers, having peace of mind.
Hey, Eddie, listen, I've got to print something and there's a thing with the new printer. Eddie?
So much for spending money on stupid brand names. Bystronic consumables for your peace of mind.